What's up, guys? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I'm doing a little review on some new chickens that we got. These are our golden comets. Earlier this year we had some hawks take our chickens, and we got some silkies, some new silkies, and we got some golden comets. They're kind of freaked out a little bit. They're wondering what the heck I'm doing, but just a little review on these chickens. Golden comets have been by far our best layers, at least an egg a day, 5 to 6 days a week. In addition to being great layers, they're super quiet. I mean, we hardly hear them at all. Here comes one now. They're incredibly friendly. They come right up to you, no problem with pets or pecking the kids. They're very curious. They want to know what's going on most of the time. I wish one would come out here. Oh, there's Louise. She's our Easter egger. No one seems to enjoy her company. Oh, here comes one. But they're extremely friendly. They were easy to integrate into our current flock. And they just are very curious, nice, good free rangers, but ultimately, bottom line, the best layers we've ever had. So if you want a good layer, nothing special about the coloring, but really pretty. Nothing exotic about them, just a good backyard chicken for egg purposes. Yeah, that's about all I can think of. If you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.